morning friends, welcome to my happiness channel @Happy Environment. Happiness comes from the splendors of nature. Splendors of nature are vast mountains and their landslides, deep valleys and rivers flowing in them, forests and vast oceans. The splendors of nature can fill our hearts with joy and brings happiness by offering peace, beauty and inspiration. It can also bring us a sense of belonging. Consider first the vast beautiful mountains of Himalayas, the abode of snow. I cannot express in words about the scenic beauty of snowy mountains of Himalayas in the morning when the sun rays fall on it and they turn into golden yellow color. When we visited the Badrinath temple, we saw that Himalayas and we got very excited and we got very much happiness. We have to enjoy the deep valleys and greeny forests, beautiful different colors of flowers and butterflies and bees flying on them to squeeze the nectar, and the dancing peacocks and jumping monkeys and different kinds of wild animals, snakes, reptiles and etc.